Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are getting ready to go. We have a little birthday cruise to go on with a whole bunch of cars we have to meet up with. So enjoy the ride.
Add it up. Okay, alright. Add it up.
canards. Oh shit! Look at my tire.
Hit, bro.
Dude, one of my canards flew off. Look at the tire.
Shit, yeah, it's got a big old fucking chunk out
I
of it.
felt the vibration.
Holy shit.
Yep.
That's what you were feeling.
Yep.
Your
Wow. Yeah, the whole wheel.
Pull a chunk off the tire.
Hey, your whole, what you had left of the fender well is gone too.
gone?
It's all gone.
Fender well's gone.
Holy shit!
That's what ripped this off too.
One of his canards came off. I just went over the tire. It ripped the whole fender well off.
Yeah.
Oh, babe, it hit the side of your, it beat the shit out of the side of your car.
What came off?
The fender well and one of the canards.
I told you the canards. Come on, Marty.
I ain't worried about the canards. Honestly, I don't care about that.
It's all the other shit.
It's all the other shit.
No, I told you about the canards. Took the canards. Yeah, but it went all the way down.
You scared the shit.
Yeah, we heard it, and it took a chunk of the tire. There's a chunk of the tire.
That fucking.
He thought your tire. It was a chunk of his tire.
Yeah. There's a huge section of it.
Look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna
There's a huge section of it.
I'm gonna head back home.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to baby the shit. Hopefully that shit opens.
Yeah. No, you should be okay.
Oh, I guess the fender well. Is the canards on
No,
the
you're good.
side? No, that one's holding stuff.
It's hanging though.
Hey, do you remember the last time when he was talking shit about Javi?
I do. You know what's funny is I already said it to him in the car. Oh yeah, there they are.
Oh, damn.
Yep.
Oh, time to turn back around.
Yep. There's them cords. Told you I could feel them.
Holy shit.
Dude, you're lucky your tire didn't fucking blow out.
So, thankfully, made it home safe, guys. And let's assess the damage a little bit. We got a little rubbage on the paint and on the vinyl there, but honestly, it looks like it comes out, so that shouldn't be a big deal. And again, look at this tire, guys. I'm thankful that this thing did not blow up going the speed I was going. Let's just say that. So yeah, this popped out, lost a canard, and it popped out over here too, but that's not a big deal. I'm gonna go ahead and that's not, you know, that's not too worried about that. That should be a pretty easy fix. Oh, also lost fender. The whole fender liner is gone. So yeah, I'll go ahead and just replace both of them. They were a little damaged already from when I had bags, so I'll go ahead and replace them. Not a big deal. And thankfully, you know, we're here. Everything is good. Parts could be replaced, car could be fixed. Not a big deal. And it was fun. Some people would, you know, be all huffy and puffy, mad about it. Honestly, I'm proud of the car because the car literally went around. When you could go around the car's moving. This car is moving. It's not the fastest thing in the world, but she puts a smile on my face. She moves well. And really happy with the way she's performing. Because, like I said, I think it was. I got an opportunity because we were just cruising around having fun in Mexico, and this orange cat he got on it, I got on it, and then I'm right on his bumper, and I'm like, all right, come on, let's go. Yeah, I literally had to get off the gas, and I finally got a little room where the car that was on the right, I was able to get around them, and I just started to go around them, and that's when all hell broke loose. Once I went around them, and parts started to fly. But it honestly, I was, you know, aggravated there, but I'm really proud of the car, the way it performed, because to me it feels like you're taking the car to once you go around people, you know, you come from behind and you're catching them, and he's going full send, and you're catching them and you're passing them. That makes me feel good. That makes me feel like the car is really doing well. And it is. I think the car's really doing well. You know, Auto Mafia Racing, their tune is through the roof. He told me when he looked at the logs, the car looks great, and he's 100% right. So, all right, guys, thank you for watching. It was a fun ride. Little bit of damage, but no big deal. We'll get her all fixed up. We'll be back on the road in no time. And I hope you guys stay safe out there. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. Thank you.